Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Lifestyle and Decor. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Please do show your support by subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your friends and family.
For subscribing to my channel, you just need to click on the subscribe button shown here, and if you click the bell, you will get notification for each of my new video. It is absolutely free and doesn't take more than 12 seconds of your time. Miniature garden designs in flower pots or small containers are new trends in gardening that offer a fun way to create tiny, realistic landscapes that reflect the atmosphere and charming beauty of real natural settings. With just a few plants and a handful of accessories available at your home, you can create a tiny garden in your home. Miniature gardens are a lot of fun to make. You can plant miniature gardens in containers and use them as table decorations indoors or outside, or plant them right in the ground as part of your other garden beds. I will show you how I have made one with an old cup and a banana stand. I have selected a bonsai container with soil in it, and I fixed the banana holder with the help of soil. Now I have selected a hanging plant and I have planted it in the cup. I'll hang this cup on the banana holder. Need to fix the stand, so I am keeping these big stones on it to add some weight on the stand holder. I will take the same plant from a small pot, and I have selected the same plant to create an effect of continuation. It's time to create a pond, for which I have selected a brown glass bowl which I will fix inside the soil. Covering the rest of the soil with some big stones. To create a nice effect, I am adding some sky blue color in this water. Now some pebbles around the pond. Oh, looks like it couldn't resist the blue water. Now it's done. If you have some other small pieces like a small house or something, you can add it here. and you can place it on any tabletop. If you like this idea, do share it with your friends and family and keep watching for more. Thank you.